Hello everyone. So this guide will show you how to create donation buttons in the Roblox game. Please donate using Gamepass. So let's get started. So first go to the Roblox website, close out of the Roblox game if you are currently playing and open Roblox website. Now from here Roblox website, tap on this create button and make sure you are in createroblox.com. If not, search this URL and come to this website. Now from here, tap on creations, tap on my experiences. Now tap on this tap on your name. Now from here, scroll down and you will find this monetization. Open this, and after expanding monetization, you'll see passes. Tap on this passes, tap on create a pass. Now name your pass. For example, name it. For example, support me. And you can also add description if you want. You can add description, you can upload an image, and after doing it, tap on create pass. And after tapping create on pass, now after tapping create on pass, tap on your pass, for example support me. Now click on this sales. Now from here, turn on item for sale. Now enter your price. For example, I want to enter 200 coins. Now after entering your default price and everything, just click on save changes, tap on proceed, and that's it. Pass updated successfully. Now go to your Roblox game, go to roblox.com, go to your game, please donate, and simply open your game. And that's it, you'll find your pass. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.